Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll use a soothing mantra to help us deal with difficult emotions. Begin by settling into an easy position. Gently straighten your spine so you remain alert without creating tension. Let your shoulders completely relax and rest your arms where they're most comfortable. Gently close your eyes and relax your forehead. Notice your body begin to soften. And bring your attention to your breath. Now begin to draw your breath down towards your heart space. And as you tune into that space, just notice what's there. You might observe sensations in your chest. Or perhaps emotions that are present around your heart. And as you return to your flowing breath, let your attention rest there. Simply noticing your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Follow each breath attentively. Stay present with the full length of your inhalations. And your entire exhalations. Now remain with your breath and open to a sense of compassion. And silently repeat these words to yourself. May my heart be happy and at peace. Try to open your own heart and receive these words with kindness. May my heart be happy and at peace. Feeling into each and every word, May my heart be happy and at peace. Now, find a comfortable rhythm and continue repeating these gentle words. If you get distracted or you feel emotions bubble up, lovingly return to your breath and to this phrase, may my heart be happy and at peace. Now, allow the words to dissolve and return to your breath. Let your breath be like a soothing balm for any sadness, worry, or pain. And for a few moments, simply rest in this loving, compassionate space you've created. And now, gently widen your attention. Not all of us have been taught how to deal with challenging emotions when growing up. Perhaps we weren't told what to do with our anger, or we weren't taught to understand sadness. When frustration rose, we didn't know how to deal with it. We might have been told it wasn't okay to feel a certain way or to express a particular emotion. Instead, we learned to suppress or hide our feelings. Some of us might have been taught to tune out the unpleasant stuff with distractions or to numb them with unhealthy behavior. Our mindfulness practice can teach us to do things differently, no matter what we learned as kids. Through practice, we understand how to soothe our emotions with kindness, acceptance, and compassion, and how to quiet our nervous system. We learn that whatever arises is okay. Rather than running from our emotions, we make space for them, knowing they will pass, and shift if we allow them to. So the next time you feel a wave of fear, frustration, anger, or sadness, remember to greet yourself with love and compassion. Learn to hold your own heart with gentleness. Care for yourself. Offer warmth and comfort as you would to someone else. Gently return to your breath again. Breathe in a sense of love. Breathe out a sense of kindness. And slowly bring your attention back into the room around you. Notice your body in space and the sounds around you. And when you are ready, softly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you again soon.